Hello legal hustlers. In this video we will delve into the important topic of reservation and its significance in fostering a more inclusive and equitable society. Introduction to reservation. Reservation is an important constitutional provision aimed at ensuring social justice and equality in India. It is a policy that reserves a certain percentage of seats or positions for certain communities or categories in education, employment, and politics. Reservation is based on the principle of affirmative action and is intended to uplift historically disadvantaged sections of society. Reservation categories: scheduled castes, SCs, these are communities historically considered untouchable and subjected to social discrimination. Scheduled tribes, STs, these are indigenous communities with distinct cultural and social identities. Other backward classes, OBCs, these are socially and educationally disadvantaged communities. Education reservation. Reservation in educational institutions ensures access to quality education for marginalized communities. Currently, there is reservation of up to 15% for SCs, 7.5% for STs, and 27% for OBCs in higher education institutions. Additionally, the EWS category ALSO benefits from reservation in educational institutions. Employment reservation. Reservation in employment aims to provide equal opportunities for underprivileged communities in the public sector. Currently, there is reservation of up to 15% for SCs, 7.5% for STs, and 27% for OBCs in government jobs. Reservation in employment also extends to promotions to ensure representation at higher levels. Reservation in politics. Reservation in politics ensures representation of marginalized sections in legislative bodies. The Constitution reserves seats for SCs and STs in both the Lok Sabha, lower house, and state legislative assemblies. The number of reserved seats is proportional to the population of SCs and STs in each state. Constitutional amendments. Reservation provisions have been strengthened through various constitutional amendments. The 93rd Constitutional Amendment Act introduced reservation for AWS in educational institutions and public employment. The 102nd Constitutional Amendment Act provided constitutional status to the National Commerce SIN for backward classes. Criticisms of reservation. Reservation policies have faced criticism for being based on caste and not economic criteria. Critics argue that reservation perpetuates caste diverse icons and hampers meritocracy. Some also argue that reservation hold be based on economic criteria rather than caste or community. Impact of reservation. Reservation policies have helped in uplifting marginalized communities and reducing socio-economic disparities. It has provided opportunities for education, employment, and political representation to historically disadvantaged sections. Reservation has contributed to the empowerment and social inclusion of SCs, STs, OBCs, and EWS. Future perspectives. The debate on reservation continues, with calls for reforms and changes to the existing system. There are discussions on increasing reservation for certain communities or introducing reservation based on economic criteria. The aim is to strike a balance between social justice and meritocracy in order to create a more inclusive society. Conclusion. Reservation is an important constitutional provision aimed at ensuring social justice and equality. It provides opportunities for education, employment, and political representation to historically disadvantaged sections. While reservation has had a positive impact, ongoing discussions and reforms are necessary to address the evolving needs of society.
Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you here and hope that you find our content informative, engaging, and entertaining. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to join us for further updates.